Hello, I am Cristi Muro, and this is one of the videos I created to explain what's new in Future Pack 2508. In this video, you will learn about a new duplicate check feature in SAP Business One for business partners. Before this version, SAP only validated duplicated customers or vendors based on the customer or vendor code. Now, when adding or updating a business partner, the system automatically checks for duplicates using multiple fields: BP name, federal tax ID, telephone number, website, email, or bank account. If a duplicate is detected, a warning message is displayed, helping you prevent data errors and maintain a clean business partner master. So let's see how it works. So I'm going to go to Business Partners, Business Partner Master Data, and here I have a customer for Cristi Muro. So you can see here we have the customer code, the customer name, and we have a phone number and a website. So now I'm going to go and open a new screen for Business Partners, and now I'm going to create a new customer. So before this version, SAP validated only the customer code. So for example, if I type C777, which is a different customer code, but now in the name I put Cristi Muro. Now with this new version, when I try to create the customer, the system is going to tell me that there are some fields that contain the same value as other existing business partners. In this case, we have BP name. So this is good, but what if, for example, when I create a customer, I just type Cris Muro. Cris Muro is not the same as Cristi Muro, so in this case, SAP is not going to tell me that we have a duplicated customer. But now SAP validates more information, including the telephone number. So now I'm going to type 123. Now I'm going to type the same phone number. So if I try to create it, now the system is telling me that I have another customer with the same telephone number. As you can see here, we have telephone number, and it's asking me if I want to continue. Let's see that in the phone number, I type the same number, but without dashes. But now we have the website as well. So I'm going to type here the website. And same thing, the system is telling me that there's another customer with the same website, and if I want to continue. So this is very useful because in previous versions, duplicate customers or vendors were common. Users often relied solely on the customer or vendor name to check for duplicates, but minor differences like extra spaces or additional letters could bypass the check. Now, by including website, email, and other fields, SAP reduces the change of duplicated business partners. Something to keep in mind that in Mexico localization, additional to these fields, SAP checks the RFC. And for Argentina, the system checks the fiscal ID number. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.